Independence Day. I like to do the new activities and things that I haven't done yet.
This one is more centered in engaging the students intellectually while they're having fun versus just almost babysitting all day.
We get to learn fun things, AI, pottery, and science.
At first, some of the students are like, it's summer break, but then once the activity starts, like they're full throttle, they're very competitive. We've done a section on photography, and they want their pictures to be the best. They want to show them everywhere, so they're super involved once they see what they're actually doing.
I learned what like different types of codes.
And like last week we did like AI and like just a lot of stuff with AI and stuff. We helped the little kids dissect a cow's eye.
It was weird, but it was fun.
This is how the inside look. That's how your eyeball looks.
The only part that I liked was when we had opened it and we had to cut out this thing. It was like the night vision, so the cow could see at nighttime.
My experience as a team workforce is that I get to learn the work ethic and get to learn new experiences and how to be a man in the world that we live in now, and how to understand what to do and what to expect in a job.
What I most like about science is the experiments, and at summer camp I will get to do that.
Back in my new school, we didn't do anything like exploding stuff. We didn't like cut any eyeballs or anything. So this one is really fun. I might stay here next year.
And every time I go to summer school, I feel like happy, and my friends are gonna play with me.